Welcome everyone to the Arduino Alchemist channel. I'm your host, the Arduino Alchemist. Today we're asking the question, what can we do with Arduino? The answer is quite simply, everything. This little wonder is a miniature computer. It just doesn't have any inputs or outputs right now. It can send and receive digital signals, control other devices, interfaces with many different sensors, screens, and other electronics that we'll get into later. First, we're going to cover the basics. Arduinos are a brand of microprocessor. Like I said, mini computers. One of the simplest and most fun things we can do is digitally control LEDs. But there's lots of other cool stuff we can do as well. Most versions of microprocessors, Arduino brand and otherwise, have a built-in LED that can easily be controlled. So let's check that out. This is probably the first script that any Arduino programmer will learn. It's called Blink, and it is in the examples section of the Arduino IDE. The timing is very easy to change and quick. I'm going to switch over to a mini breadboard. Which is going to make my life a lot easier plugging in things like this 5mm LED. I'm going to wire this up real quick. And now that I figured out how to plug it in, we can see that both the LED on board and the LED that I just plugged in are blinking. And I can come in and change the code real quick again. Now unplugging this and switching over to a bigger breadboard. That is, after I take the parts off of the breadboard that were already on there. This is a resistor. We're going to add a resistor to limit the voltage from 5 volts to a reasonable 3 volts for this LED that I'm going to add, or else it would overheat and break. Included in the example section is fading, which is what we're going to demonstrate here. And we can control multiple LEDs. And 2. And 3. If you like this video and want to see more exciting content and experiments, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.